Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Now let's learn some collocations from the collocation intermediate in use. And we have today topic of time, right? Demek keling shu temani o'rganamiz. Vaqt haqida. Collocation juda ham foydali kitob. So, spend time. I spent some time in South America. Ya'ni aytyaptiki, vaqt sarflash uchun demak eng tabiiy naqa spend ekan. Demak, ili vaqt o'tishi reading passes the time. Don't do it like that. You're wasting time. You will save time if you do it like this. Ya'ni vaqtni birinchisi uvol qilish, ikkinchisi vaqtni o'sha ekonom deydimi, tejash. Tell someone the time. Can you tell me the time? Bu vaqtni bir kimgadir aytish. And what do you like to do in your free time, spare time? Bular bo'sh vaqt degani. Spare time'ni kamroq ishlatiladi, lekin bu ham foydali ibora. I'm sorry, I didn't have time to do my homework. Mana ko'pchilik bahonalar qiladi o'quvchilar. Like, uzr, uy vazifasini qilishga vaqtim bo'lmadi deb. O'shananda bizda I didn't do my homework emasda, I didn't have time to do my homework desak, unaqa bo'lishi mumkin. Yoki mana bu ma'noda ham kelishi mumkin. I don't have time for lazy people. Ya'ni bu yerda vaqtim yo'q emas, ma'nosi ko'proq mana sabrim yo'q anaqa dangas insonlar bilan degan ma'noda keladi. I don't have time for what is it like, noisy people like, yeah, degan ma'noda ham kelishi mumkin. O'sha shovqin qiladigan insonlar bilan o'tirishga meni vaqtim yo'q, sabrim yo'q. Make time for. Make time bu juda ham yaxshi ibora. Bu faqat vaqtingiz bo'lganda emas, unga aynan vaqt ajratishingiz. The doctor is very busy, but he will try to make time for you. Ingliz tilini o'rganish uchun siz faqat vaqtingiz bo'lganda o'rganish kerak emas yoki foydali kitob o'qish uchun. Unga vaqt ajratishingiz kerak. Alohida kunlik rejangizdan plan qilib. Ana shunda natija bo'ladi. Right? Make time for it. Don't just do it when you have time. O'sha Make Time kitobida juda zo'r tushuntirilgan shuni. Kill time. We got to the airport very early, so we had a meal in restaurant to kill time. Ya'ni biron nima vaqtni o'tkazish uchun qilinadi degan narsa. Masalan, ayniqsa biron nima kutayotganingizda doktorga, tabib o'sha yoki bir magazinda, supermarketda yoki metro yoki avtobusda ketayotganingizda nimadir qilib vaqt o'tkazish uchun insonlar odatda hozirgi kunda ijtimoiy tarmoqlarda o'tiradi. Ana shu o'rniga biron bir qo'limizga yaxshi kitob olib, right? O'qiganga yetmaydi. Take your time. No need to hurry. Agar kimdir sizga take your time desa, shoshilma, xohlaganingcha vaqtni ishlat va bu ishni yakunlashga degan ma'noda keladi. Train left bang on time, that on time, right on time. Ya'ni ayni vaqtida bo'ldi degan ma'noda keladi. Masalan, metro ayni vaqtida keldi yoki kino yoki o'sha bir unaqa ayni vaqtida boshlandi. Kech bo'lmadi, ya'ni erta bo'lmadi, ayni vaqtida. We had a good time, great time degani vaqtimiz chog' o'tdi, vaqtimiz maroqli o'tdi degan ma'nolarda keladi. Mana busi undan ham zo'r iboralardan. Lena had the time of her life. Ya'ni hayotidagi eng zo'r davr, vaqtga ega bo'ldi degan ma'noda. Masalan, vaqti juda ham zo'r o'tdi degani. Your attitude to work may change a bit as time goes by, as time passes. Bu juda ham yaxshi iboralar bular, juda ham yaxshi collocationlar yodlab ishlatish kerak. Ya'ni ishga bo'lgan sizni muomalangiz, ya'ni sizni yondashuvingiz vaqt o'tishi tufayli o'zgaradi, deyapti, vaqt o'tishi. I ran out of time, I couldn't finish the exam, deyapti. Demak, o'sha vaqtim tugab qoldi imtihonda, tugata olmadim demoqchi. Masalan, bu IELTS imtihonda bo'lishi mumkin yoki biron bir zadaniyada, ya'ni vaqtga o'sib qilmadim degan ma'noda. You will be sorry big time for speaking to me like that. Bu juda ham unaqa degani, time'ga umuman aloqasi yo'q o'zi aslida bu yerda. E'tibor beringlar, qarang. Big time degani bilan bu yerda o'ta extremely degan ma'noda keladi. Ya'ni sal juda afsuslanasan menga bunaqa muomala qilganing uchun demoqchi. Past and future, demak o'tmish va kelajak haqida gaplashamiz. The past few weeks have been really difficult for teen grow up children, right? For teenagers to grown up children. Ya'ni oxirgi bir necha hafta juda ham qiyin bo'ldi. Past so'z bilan ishlatilgan, masalan, past month, o'tgan oy, the past year, right? Her son is on an early 21st century fiction, while her daughter is about life in prehistoric times. Demak, bu yerda o'sha prehistoric degani o'tmishdagi qadimgi davrlar ketyapti. Early 20s degani o'sha 21-asrning boshlari. She's not interested in the recent past at all. Ya'ni yaqin o'tmish degani yaqin o'tmishga umuman qiziqmaydi. They both are working very hard. They set their alarms. Demak, o'sha biz deymiz qo'ng'iroq qo'yish ertalabki uyg'onishga. And when alarm goes off, alarm qilib ovoz chiqarishi. they work from dawn till dusk. Dawn degani o'sha quyoshni odatda right chiqishi, dusk bu quyoshni botishi bo'lishi kerak, adashmasam tekshiramiz. All day ekan. Demak, from dawn till dusk degani ertayu kech ishlaydi degan ma'noda kelar ekan. Indeed, sometimes they stop until the small hours. Oh, mana bu narsani juda ham foydali qaranglar. Until the small hours degani small, ya'ni 2, 3, 4 am gacha o'tirib ishlab chiqar ekan. Bizda endi hozir buncha manimcha 2, 3, 4 gacha social media game qiladi desak, manimcha yoshlar to'g'ri keladi. Tina can't wait until they start working. Endi albatta hammasi emas, yaxshi o'qiydigan bolalar ham bor, juda ham ko'p. Ungodly hours degani shunaqa bor, nima deydi, o'ta ham kech yoki o'ta ham erta uyg'on soat masalan bemahal deymiz o'zbek tilida biz, kimdir taqillatishi soat 3:30 4 da yoqmaydi hech kimga, right? It's taking them ages to complete their work. Ya'ni take ages degani juda ham ko'p vaqt ketishi degani. And Tina is sure that it will eventually all be worth their while. Bu ham juda ham foydali ibora. Ya'ni sarflangan vaqt bekorga ketmaydi degan ma'noda kelmoqda. Sure, she's sure that they both have a great future ahead. She thinks that they will both get good academic jobs in the not too distant future. Demak, kelajak oldinda buyuk, yaxshi, porloq kelajagi bor demoqchi va uzoq bo'lmagan yaqin kelajakda degan ma'noda keladi. And of course, no one can know what the future holds. Va albatta kelajakda nima bo'lishini hech kim bilmaydi. Qaranglar, mana bu zo'r narsada no one knows what the future holds desa yaxshi bo'ladi. Tem we don't know what will happen in future degandan ko'ra bu tabiiyroq chiqadi ibora. Mana shu collocation nimaga biz o'rganyapmiz? Chunki collocation orqali o'rgansak bizda foydali bo'ladi. Mana let's know how to activate o'sha how to activate. Ya'ni collocationlarni o'zingizda speechingizda anaqa qilmoqchi bo'lsangiz, aktivatsiya qilmoqchi bo'lsangiz, ya'ni faol ishlatmoqchi bo'lsangiz, uni qiladigan ishingiz demak bizda o'shalarni yozib olib gap tuzib chiqish kerak erinmasdan. Masalan, if you are let's say like I need to make time to learn a new language, right? And then it is better to kill time reading books, not scrolling, not dumb scrolling, let's say, right? O'sha internet kavlab o'tirishdan ko'ra anaqa yaxshi demoqchiman. I am, I'm pleased when metro comes bang on time. Ya'ni vaqtida kelsa men xursand bo'ladi deyapman. And then and when I visited football match, maybe a football, okay, like let's say Cambridge City, I had the time of my life. As time passed, flew by. Juda vaqt tez o'tib ketdi demoqchiman. I guess I will regret big time if I don't make the most of my adulthood, what is it, like adolescent years, right? Adolescent years deb gap tuzaman. Ko'rasizlar, mana bu endi bu sizlarga bir namuna. Gap tuzsang ham bo'ladi. Xohlasang yana bitta usuli bor. Mana ChatGPT prompt bor, I will share. If you actually ask ChatGPT to here we have not this one, sorry. Sorry. Demak, ChatGPT the collocations degani bor mana. Demak, so if you collocation topicini olib, if you like sort of take a screenshotga olasiz rasmga yoki telefonda temani tashlab beradigan bo'lsak, odatda for those who are preparing for IELTS exam, IELTS imtihoniga tayyorgarlik ko'rayotganlar yoki speakingni oshirmoqchi bo'lganlar, просто speaking savol yasab beradi va bu sizga va practice qilsangiz bo'ladi. Masalan, do you think you manage your time well? I think I do. I try to not waste my time as I try to make the most of it, and I plan my days. I usually on time. Yes, I try to be responsible on time. I usually deb turib masalan aytsangiz bo'ladi, I try to manage my time and be responsible deb aytsangiz bo'ladi. Mana parseriga ham savollar bor mana. Yeah, so judayam yaxshi savol. Bu yerda mana model answerlar ham beradi mana. Do you manage I try to I organize my tasks so I don't run out of time before deadlines. Qarang qanaqa tabiiy ishlab beryapti. Of course there are still days when unexpected things happen and everything takes longer than planned. Demak, umumiy olib qaraganimizda mana shu vocabularylarni hayotda ishlatsa yaxshi. As they say, we don't know what the future holds, so let's work hard. Let's set alarm clocks and so that we can have a great future ahead. Yeah, I know certain things can take ages to master, but anyways, we gotta give it a try, right? Thank you so much, guys, and I hope you will have a great time ahead this week or this year.